ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് സെക്രട്ടേറിയറ്റ് KPSC അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് മെയിൻ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ പേപ്പർ 2ന്റെ സിലബസ് ആണ് വീഡിയോയിൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. സിലബസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നമുക്ക് നോക്കാം. Detailed syllabus for the post of Secretariat KPSC Assistant Main Examination Paper 2. Total mark 100. Principles of Administration and Management Module 1. 10 mark. Principles of Administration 10 mark. Administration Definition and Scope. Types of Organization. Public, private, non-profit principles of administration, theories of administration, classical, behavior and contingency theories, modern approaches to administration, organizational structure and functions, organizational culture and change management, ethical principles in administration, leadership styles, traits of leadership, communication in administration, accountability and transparency, role of technology in administration. Module 2, principles of management, 10 marks. Management definition and importance, evolution of management thought, management versus administration, management roles and skills, management functions, planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, principles of management, contemporary approach to management, system approach, contingency approach, TQM, lay management, agile management, technology and innovation, organizational environment and cultural ethical decision making in management, corporate social responsibility, CSR, globalization and its challenges for managers, Constitution of India. Module 3, constructional structure, constitutional structures. 12 മാർക്കിന്റെ ചോദ്യമാണ് കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷണൽ സ്ട്രക്ചേഴ്സിൽ നിന്നുണ്ടാവുക. സാലിയന്റ് ഫീച്ചേഴ്സ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യൻ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ, പ്രിയാമ്പിൾ ഓഫ് ദ കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂഷൻ, ഫണ്ടമെന്റൽ റൈറ്റ്സ്, മീനിങ് ആൻഡ് ലിമിറ്റേഷൻ, ഡയറക്റ്റീവ് principles of state policy and fundamental duties, their enforcement, union executive, president, vice president, elections, powers and functions, prime minister, council of ministers, union legislators, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha composition, powers and functions, parliamentary privileges, union judiciary, Supreme Court of India, composition and powers and functions, judicial review, public interest, litigation, state executive, governor, chief minister, council of ministers, state legislature, state legislative assembly and state legislative council, state judiciary, high court and subordinate judiciary. Module 4, center state relation under the constitution, 8 mark. Relation between union and states, legislative relations, administrative relations, coordination between centers and states, financial relations, services under the union and states, doctrine of pleasure, local government, Panchayat Raj systems with special reference to 73rd and urban social self-government with special reference to 74th Amendment, Election Commission of India, composition, power and functions and electoral process, types of emergency, grounds, procedures, duration and effects, amendment of constitution, meaning, procedures, limitation. Kerala model economy and development. Module 5, Kerala economy, 15 marks. Kerala economy since the formation of states, state gross domestic product, economic growth, per capita income, resource mobilization, tax and non-tax revenue, public expenditure, decentralized planning, policies, development programs, agriculture, crops, land use pattern, land reforms, food security, industry, MSMEs, energy sectors, infrastructure, service sector, health, care economy, migration, tourism, education, ICT. Module 6, Kerala model of development, 15 mark. Kerala model of development, evolution, significance, features, adult literacy, life expectancy, infant mortality, birth rate, reasons, challenges, unemployment, poverty, inequality, gender gap, aging, women empowerment programs, knowledge economy, startups, brain gain, environment, climate, disaster management. Module 7, 10 marks. Basic concepts of ecosystem and biodiversity, forests, deserts, aquatic ecosystems, rivers of Kerala, environmental pollution, water, air and soil, contaminants, pesticides, metal, gases, pollutant, environmental movement, international and national organizations for environmental protection, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks and biosphere reserves in Kerala, global environmental issue, global warming, ozone depletion, climate change, environmental impact assessment and developmental projects, environmental auditing, green auditing, environmental laws in India. Module 8, 10 mark. Disasters, natural and anthropogenic disaster management, the disaster management cycle, mitigation, structural and non-structural, mitigation goals, preparedness, planning, training and exercises, public awareness and education, response, emergency operation center, search and rescue operation, incident command system, medical care and shelter management, recovery, damage assessment, reconstruction and rehabilitation, national policy on disaster management, international disaster management system, international disaster response laws, Disaster Management Act NDMA, National Disaster Management Act NIDM, National Institute of Disaster Management, NDRF, National Disaster Response Force, SDMA, State Disaster Management Authority, and DDMA, District Disaster Management Authority. Module E-Governance 10 mark. Basic objectives of e-governance, challenges of e-governance, various e-governance, initiative by the central and the state government, incentivizing e-governance and its impact on corruption, management information system, decision support system, expert system, data privacy, information security, IT Act 2000, Secretariat Assistant, മെയിൻ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ പേപ്പർ 2 സിലബസ് ആണ് ഇവിടെ വിവരിച്ചത്. ഈ ചാനൽ തുടർന്നും ലഭിക്കാനായി ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.